Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong July 22 to 28, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see what's coming to you, Libra, this week, July 22 to 28. Overall energy. This Seven of Pentacles, may naiinip na rito. Naiinip ka na, may hinihintay ka. Oo. So, pwedeng may hinihintay kang pera, may hinihintay kang resulta ng in-applyan mo. So, you need some patience. What is your challenge? You have the Six of Pentacles. So, the challenge is your pagbabalanse ng iyong finances. Okay? So, maaring ngayong week na to, mas mapagastos ka, hindi mag-align yung income mo sa expenses mo. Oo. Lalo na may mga enrollment, no? May mga anak ka, marami kang kailangang bayaran. So, you have to manage your expenses. Oo. Kung ano lang muna yung importante. Lalo na meron ditong nabibitin na pera, no? Pwedeng meron kang hihintay na makukuha mo this week. Pwedeng kailangan mo pang maghintay hanggang next week. So, patience is the key to success. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Ten of Wands. As an opportunity, you will be very busy ngayong week na to. Pero kaya mo namang i-handle, no? Yung mga kailangan mong asikasuhin. Yung iba kasi rito pwedeng natambak to eh. Natambak ng mga trabaho, errands na kailangan mong asikasuhin na hindi mo nagawa ng mga nakaraan. So ngayong week na to ay papasadahan mo na isang pasada. Oo. Diba may mga kailangan kang gawin, bilhin, puntahan. Pagsasabay-sabayin mo ngayong week na to. Pero kaya mo naman. Your blessing is, tinan mo, Libra. This is your energy kasi Venus to. Venus ay ruler ng Libra. You will be a blessing to yourself. You just need to be patient kasi ibibigay sa'yo yung needs mo, yung pangangailangan mo because the Empress is about your resources. Hindi ka maubusan, no? May abundance. There is abundance in you. And also, Libra, maaring meron kang gagawin for yourself, no, para to make you feel good, to make you feel better. Can be, ititreat mo yung sarili mo sa spa, nail salon, papamani-pedi ka, o kaya naman, papaayos ka ng hair. You will take care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. So, sa iyong money, career, finances, diba? The Chariot, you have the Five of Cups and the Nine of Swords. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo nasa stress, kakahintay. Pero don't worry kasi darating rin yun. Na-delay lang. Oo. And this is also the time for you na maging productive kahit naghihintay ka. 'Di ba? Let's say for example, nagsasaing ka. Hindi naman pwedeng titigan mo lang yung kaldero o kaya yung rice cooker hanggang maluto siya. Kasi sayang yung downtime na yon, 'di ba? Pwedeng mag-prepare ka na ng mga ingredients sa ulam, maggayat ka na ng sibuyas, bawang or what, 'di ba? While waiting for the rice to cook. So that's what I'm saying for you. May mga bagay na maaring binibigyan mo ng focus, attention na nagpapastress lang sa'yo. So might as well focus on the things that will keep you going, will keep you moving forward. Diba? Imagine yung lost time na yon kapag nag-focus ka lang dun sa mga ibang bagay na wala naman ng value. Oo. So you are being called to tap into your intuition. Yes. Maaring iba sa inyo, nasistress sa career, trabaho, or business, pwedeng magpaparead kayo ng tarot. O kung may questions kayo, pwede kayong magpa-read ng tarot. And this can also mean your own self, no? Meron tayong, kanya-kanya tayo, meron tayong psychic abilities. Yung iba hindi lang ginagamit. So, you will be connecting to your higher self about what should you do? Ano yung gagawin mo moving forward? Yung iba kasi sa inyo, hindi kayo kontento sa situation nyo sa trabaho, sa career, or sa business. Kaya parang nalilito kayo kung magstay ba kayo o hindi. Kung may explore pa kayong ibang bago or iiwanan nyo na. So, kung hindi na kayo functional, hindi na kayo masyadong productive sa trabaho, then maybe you need to do other things. Your relationship, you have the Two of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Temperance. Oh, so yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang relationship na matagal nyo nang pinag-iisipan kung ready na ba kayo. And I feel like, you are ready. Pwedeng pinaghandaan mo to. Itong pagkakataon na to. Yan. Kasi nga, yung iba sa inyo nag-heal pa from your past. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi, okay, kaka-break lang. Oo, galing lang sa separation from the past. So, syempre, ganda-gandahan kayo or pogi kayo or very attractive kayo. Meron na agad magre-reach out, may magpaparamdam, may magpapapansin, may offer. So, syempre, hindi naman agad-agad is papasok ka sa ganyang relationship. Kaya may temperance dito is for you to wait for the right time, for the perfect time, for the time na ikaw ay healed na from your past. 'Di ba? This is you practicing your self-care, self-love. So, maaaring ngayon, i-consider mo na okay, love, ready na ako, let's go, let's do this. Kasi sabi nga kailangan unahin mo muna raw yung sarili mo na mahalin bago ka magmahal ng iba. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, you are capable of sharing that love to that person. Kasi you love yourself to begin with, 'di ba? Yung iba kasi, nagmamahal agad na hindi pa ayos ang kanilang pagmamahal sa sarili nila. So parang nangyayari, kinukuha nila yung love na yun from others. Tapos, syempre, pag kinuha mo yun sa iba, mababawasan yung iba. So parang yun yung magkakaroon ng conflict. Yeah, if you get what I mean. Let's see what else. You have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house, Moon in Taurus in the 2nd house, Moon in Sagittarius 9th house. Uy, sabi na Venus in Aries in the 1st house. Merong temptation sa paligid, Libra. Okay, so just make sure na aware ka dyan sa mga intentions ng iba sa'yo. I also see na nagiging maingat ka ngayon sa mga pinipili mo na maging kasama, katrabaho, ganyan. You're setting your boundaries as well. And you also have, I feel like meron ka ngayong kakayanan na makapag-travel, to go to some places. Lalo na at meron ditong darating na blessing sa iyong finances. So parang unexpected to. Ayan, my house. This is, yung iba sa inyo pwede magkaroon ng challenges sa iyong home life or family life. Okay? Pwedeng, may conflict. Minsan kasi ganyan sa family. Hindi natin may iwasan yan. Nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan. Pwede tong issue pa sa past. Pwedeng iba sa inyo nagkakaproblema sa bahay, no? Pwedeng pamana, ganyan. Some of you, maaring makikilala nyo ang new person ninyo sa isang event, sa isang party. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle to yourself and tender with your heart. Yeah. Your feelings are valid, Libra. and also rituals. So, I think ngayon, yung mga simpleng gawain, no? Hahanapin mo yan ng joy, ng happiness, na ah, kahit ayaw mo yung gawain na yun, maaring i-convert mo yun into happiness. Example, paghuhugas ng pinggan. So, bakit pahihirapan mo yung sarili mo na masustress ka habang naghuhugas ng pinggan kung pwede mo namang i-enjoy yun? 'Di ba? Hindi ka pa na-stress. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!